Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be doing a past paper of maths because I'm very bored and I decided to do this for fun. So this is a random past paper I found from November 2021. So let's start with the first question being 3.67 times 42. So I'll just write it like this, like that. Okay, and then we'll just times it like that. So it will just be 0. And then that will be 4, that will be 1, blah blah blah. Okay, amazing. And then the next one is gonna be in okay, I didn't even know that. Okay, 2. Okay, right. Okay. Okay, I hope I'm right. It's the first question, by the way. No, I could do this. Okay, and then 8, 4, 1, 5, 1. Okay, so my answer is 15.414. I don't know if I'm right. I'm gonna hopefully see the mark scheme later. Probably not. Probably yeah. But anyway, okay. Next one, 59 and okay this. Okay, right. So I'm gonna do a double bus stop method because I'm not bothered to do all of that. So 5984 to 16. So I'm gonna just do 2. Then I'm gonna do 8. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, 8. Okay, let's start. So 2 over there, 1, and then 8. And then 1, and then 9. Sorry, what? How am I doing? Sorry, okay. 5, 19. Okay, 2 times 8. 9 is 18, right? I don't know. No, I know this. Okay, they go. No! Hold on, what was 2 times 9? Okay, it's 9. Okay, and then 1 over there. Okay, 9. Okay, nothing there. 2. Right, 8 now. Nothing there. So this will be a 3. Okay, and then that will be a 5. And we can do 7 and then 3 and then 4. So our answer is 374, but it's not because we have to divide it by 10, which will give us 37.4, and that is our answer for B. Hopefully, I don't know if it is, probably is. Anyway, this one, okay, this is nice. I like this one. Okay, it's only question 2, so it's obviously going to be very easy, but one okay, even numbers, right? Even numbers only. So 2, okay, 2 is in B. Okay, 3 not in. 4, okay, that's outside. 5, 6 is in both. 7, 8, and then 10 is outside as well. 12 is in A, and 14 is in B. 15, 16, 17, 18 is in both. Okay, that hopefully is the answer. Alright, next one. 21 over 5. You know, this is so far good. Like, if I'm stuck on the 10th question, don't question me. Alright, 3 times 2, 8. Oh god. Okay, 8 over 3. Amazing. Times this by 5. Okay, bottom, 5, 5. Amazing. Times 3. Times 3. So that is 63 over 15. Take away 40 over 15, and that will give us a 23 over 15. Now we can add, oh wait, never mind, we have to make it in a mixed fraction, which is 8, 15. How? Because 15 times 1 is 15, and 8, 23, so that just makes it, okay, this question, right, at the end of 2017, the value of Tamara's house was blah, blah, blah. Okay, so, okay, it's decreased by 20%, so we're gonna get Tamara. No, let's name her too much effort. Okay, so 220,000, and then we're gonna times it by 0.8 because it is decreased by 20%. So right, and then Rahim is gonna be okay. Let's do that later. All right, 220 times 8. Let's just do that and see where we go. Okay, let's just okay. That will be pretty easy. 6, 1, 17. Okay, we got am I right? Is this okay? Yeah. So that is gonna be 176,000 because that just makes sense, right? Like, it just mathematically makes sense. Okay, and then the next one is going to be Rahim. So Rahim is going to be 30%. So let's do, okay, that's our multipliers. It's going to be 160,000. And then what is it? Times 1.3. And then what's that going to be? I don't even know. Alright, let's see. 16 times 13. And then multiply that. So 8, 1, 4, 6, 1. Okay, add that together. 8, 0, 1, 2. Okay, we got 208. Okay, so that's going to probably be 280,000 then. I mean 208,000. Okay, so from this we can see that Rahim has a greater value. So Rahim has a greater value. Okay, sorry for the handwriting. It's on computer. Great. Oh god, that is a horrible handwriting actually. Guys, this is not my actual handwriting. Okay, that is the answer for that. Next one. Oh, no, it's not this. Okay, Rosie, Matilda, and Ibrahim collect stickers. Right. Ibrahim has 24 more stickers than Matilda. Right, so Ibrahim is 15. Matilda's 4. Alright, so 15 take away 4 then, I'm assuming. It's gonna give us, what is it gonna give us? I don't even know, bro. No. Okay, wait, let me think this through. So Ibrahim, oh sorry, 7. Okay, makes sense. 7, 8. Right, okay, so that's good for us because 24 divided by 8 is 3. So one of these ratio thingies is 3. So Ibrahim has more stickers than Rosie. Well, no shit, Sherlock. Look at that. Anyway, how many more? Okay, Rosie is going to be... Okay, so since 1 is 3, that means I'm going to do 3 times 4, which is 12. And Ibrahim is 15, so it's going to be 3 times 15 for him, and that will be 45. So Ibrahim has 45 stickers, and Rosie has 12, so we're going to do 45, take away 12, which is going to shockingly give us 33. Okay, our answer is 33, thank the Lord. Alright, now we're getting difficult. Is this difficult? I don't even know. Alright, so work out the height. This is at x then. Alright, I'm trying to be fast. Okay, the cross section of the prism is a right angle triangle. Well, we can see that. Alright, the prism has 750 centimeter cubed. Right, let's see. Okay, so we're going to do 25. Let's make this as a little equation then. 25, 5x. Okay, 5x is 750. That's how to get it. Okay, we're trying to work out x. That is easy enough. We could do that. We could do that. Also, oh god, I forgot. It's actually a prism. So we're gonna have to add a half, guys. I know you guys are screaming behind. Alright, so I'm gonna do this the easy way. I'm gonna make it like so it's balanced. So 1 times 25. You know what? Screw the 1. We don't need the 1. Also, okay. 25 times 5x equals 1,500. Okay, and now we're gonna... What we're gonna do? Okay, now I'm stuck. Alright, no. Let's actually make this 125x, because it's not really simplified, is it? And I'll make it easy. Okay, that's easy. Now we can just divide it by 125 to get x. And I'll be actually honest with you, I don't even know what that equals. So I'm going to just do bus stop method, because I'm obsessed with that. Okay, 125. Okay, 1. Okay, cross that. 1 to get 100. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. Alright, I'm gonna just guess in my head. Alright, so 125 times 10 is 1,250. 2 more, so it's gonna be... I think it's gonna be 14. Is it 14? No, it's 12. X is 12. Okay, X is 12. Is that the height? That's the height. Only 3 marks. I need more marks. Okay, this one, this is actually terrifying me, Loki. Alright, so the diagram shows a cube with edges of length x centimeter and a sphere of 3 centimeters. Okay, this is the radius. Alright, thank God we have the surface area over here, the sphere. So, okay, we need to show that. Right, let's actually let's get the surface area first. So, 4 times pi times 3 squared equals, okay, no, okay, alright, x, alright, no, let's just write this out. Let's write equals, because it's equal to this surface area. So the surface cube, alright, there's 8 sides, 8 faces, we know that, and we're gonna square it, since, I don't know, it's the surface area, muscle memory. Alright, this is 6x squared, so we're gonna, okay, yeah, I think once we just find out x through this, we're just gonna get this. It's pretty straightforward. It's 4 marks, so better than 3 or 2 or 1. So guys, alright, we need to work this out first, which is 6x squared equals 36 squared. Okay, and then let's just, what do we do now? Okay, let's divide it by 6. Okay, x squared equals 6 pi. Alright, that's good because now we got x equals 6 pi, because no one knows what that is. Anyway, that is our answer. Lovely. Okay, this we all love this. We just subtract 5x from here and negative 24 from there. So x squared, take away 5x and take away 24. We need to have that equal 0 because it's a quadratic. So negative 24, what is it? Okay, negative 8 and 3. Ooh, yeah. Okay, that counts. Alright, 8, negative 3 doesn't add up. Negative 3, 8. Okay, they don't. Okay, negative 8 and 3, they do. Okay, stop. Okay, x take away 8 and x plus 3, guys. Okay, I'm actually really nervous for the last questions because these, like, yeah, it's the first, I don't know, 15, first 10, first whatever, you could do that. But the next, like, this, yeah, I'm terrified for that. That's reaching me problem. Anyway, alright, so we got that, and now, okay, yeah, right, we're just gonna get them as a separate equation. So x take away 8 equals 0. So x equals 8 when we add it up. So that's that. X plus 3 equals 0. X equals negative 3 from that. Okay, those are our answers. That is very easy. That's very nice. Okay, and then x equals negative 3. Alright, okay. Oh my god, I love this topic. We're literally doing this right now. Alright, 1. Okay, and that's a 1. 7 plus 6 is 3 to the power 1. That is 1 over 6, 1 over 32, 1 over 6. Yep, 1 over 16. This is going to be 3 because 27 cubed is 3. Okay, okay, this is the one. Alright, so the diagram shows a shape made of six identical squares. Okay, identical that. Okay, total area of the shape is 5,406. Alright, one square. Okay, we just need one length. So, okay, that's pretty straightforward. We just need how many marks? Only 3? What the hell, man? Alright, let's divide it by 6, which I actually don't know how to do. And I'm joking, I know my 6 times tables, guys. Oh, it's not working. Alright, 9, and then it's going to be 0 there, because it just doesn't. Okay, 9 over 1. 9 over 1. Alright, it's actually an estimate, so that's just... Okay, no, I think I should have done... You know, I think it's going to be 5400, which makes sense for 900. Alright, so we got 901, and to find out the length of it. Okay, so how do we do that? Okay, this whole thing is 901. To find out the length, we're gonna that 9. Let's make it 900 to make an estimate. I think we're gonna square it because we're finding out the length. When we got the area of something, to find the length of it, we square it. Okay, guys. Everyone wants to learn here. So this gives us 30. So, wow, that was not even that hard. All right, and is this an underestimate? Yeah, I think it is an underestimate because underestimate. Also, guys, I may have gotten some of these wrong because I haven't seen a mark scheme for this. So who knows? May have just got myself a 4 and I just blabbered here. But underestimate because we I'm too lazy because we rounded down, guys, because we went from 5,406 to 5,005 okay, 446 all the way down to that. Okay, I hope that's a mark. Next one. That's terrifying me. The diagram shows 2 triangles, A and B. Okay, that's A, that's B, all measurements are in centimeters. Okay, that's nice. Okay, nice. So these are equal. So find an expression for y. Alright, for y, so that means it's something like y equals. Right. Okay, no, I may do a bit forward because I may be struggling, so let's just put a bit forward. It's only been 13 minutes and we're like, I don't know, are we halfway through? I think we're halfway through. So, yeah, that's actually pretty good to be honest. Alright, y equals, so, let me just think about this. Alright, so let's just expand them, because to get to the area we need to times all of these. So we're gonna do 6 to w plus y plus, no, sorry, not plus, I mean equals 7w 3y plus 6. Alright, inshallah we're gonna get the answer. 12y plus 6y, pretty easy, equals 21wy plus 6. Okay, this point. Alright, so what we want to do here, right? Okay, let me think. Okay, let me think. Alright, we're gonna get the 12w on the other side. So it's just by itself, 12w. So that's gonna be 6y equals 21wy plus 6w. Take away 12w. W's in the chat. Okay, that's it there. Okay, now what? Alright. Now I need to actually think about this. Alright. 12w plus 6y. Like that, and then 21w plus... Oh god, I made a mistake, guys. I made a real life mistake. It's meant to be 42. That's what went wrong. I know, it felt a bit wrong, actually. It felt like that negative? Like, why are we getting negative? It's just an easy paper. Anyway, okay, 42, that makes sense. Alright, now let's just do, okay, this is stressing me out, I have no space. Alright, I'm going to use this as well, because I'm not in a real exam. So this is going to be 30w, so 6y equals 21wy plus 30w. Now, we're not going to divide it by 6, okay? Because we still have a y here. So we want to make all the things that have a y on the other side. So 21wy. And yeah, okay, we can't even do that. Okay, 21wy equals 30w. Alright, now we're going to factorize it all just to y. So 6 take away 21w equals 30w. Okay, now we just want to get y, so we're going to divide this. 6 take away 21y. On this side, 6 take away 21y. W, sorry. And that's 4 marks. That's a whole 4 marks. So that means, let's just write it. Y equals 30w over 6 take away 21w. That looks absolutely lovely. Let's just see that again. Oh, amazing. Then what else did I do? Okay, that one. Yeah, okay. Wait, no, where was it? Where was it? Okay, it was that one. We did. Alright, what else? Please be easy. Okay, frequency. Okay, that's pretty easy. I think that's more still foundation. Oh, no, it's not. That's okay. Sorry, guys. All right, 2.5 is over here. 4 is gonna be over there. Amazing. Okay, now 10, 5, 11 goes over there. 20. What? No. 7.5. Okay, guys, it's going this way. So 24. So 24, okay, and then 20, okay, middle of that is going to be 10, so 34, so this is a pretty steep graph, a big, strong positive correlation, if we want to say that. Okay, 25, in the middle of that is going to be that. Okay, it's just a little, pretty easy. Okay, 38 is over there. Oh, did I do this wrong? Don't tell me I did. No, I don't think I did. Okay, that's going to be 15, no! It's over here. Oh, I did it wrong. Alright. And then this one is going to be 15, and then it's going to be 40, and that is it. Okay, let me just make a little graph. Sorry, guys, for the horrible drawing. Okay, use the graph to find an estimate for the medium height of the plant. Medium. What's the median here? I think it's going to... Oh, what is actually? We guys actually don't know. What was the median? Was it like 38? Was it like this one? Because this has the most. I'm gonna assume it is. So let's just find 38. Nah. Okay, 25. Yeah, guys, I can't. I don't even know. Alright, let's just put an answer anyway. Well, yeah, no. What is this? What is this, guys? I don't know. I'm gonna see. It's that one then. Wait, so, okay, I'm googling. Never, I'm not. Alright, guys, first mark of the video gone. Evaluate Ted's method. Alright, I know this one. Okay, I'm not going to evaluate his because we're not on a real exam. We don't care what he's going to do. But making 0. Sorry about that, Ted. But let's do that. Alright, let's just get 10x. Okay, no, let's get 1000x. I remember the method of this because I did this before. Okay, so it's going to be 4, 3... Okay, 1, 2. Yeah, no, what was it gonna be? No, guys, I'm actually like sweating. Okay, 10x is 4 and then 0.34. Okay, he's right. Okay, now he's gonna do that. Okay, so then x is, so then 100x is gonna get rid of that. 100x is gonna be 43.43. Okay, it's gonna be that. No, let's do 1000 because it's still 43. So let's do 1000x, which is gonna be 434 point 34. Okay, and then let's just subtract it, and 430. I'm gonna guess it's 430 over 990x. Because over here, that's just 990x. Alright, I'm gonna assume it's that. Sorry, Ted. No one cares about you. Alright, this one is gonna hurt me. Okay, so we're trying to find, okay, the area of the shape is A. Okay, show that this. Right, okay, that's actually, this paper's actually nice. Like, you year 11s are so lucky with this. Year 11s? So what is this? When was this? Don't even know. When was this? What am I doing? Okay, I don't know, but whatever year this was, no, I think it's November actually, so that's not even that good, because it's not the real thing. But, let's go back to this. Okay, so, we're gonna have that. Okay, I'm gonna find this one, and I'm gonna find, okay, why am I doing that? And I'm gonna find, I'm gonna highlight it, because I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use this one, and this one. Alright, so, wait a minute, guys. Okay, that. Alright, so that's gonna be, okay, yeah, 4x plus 1, guys. What is that? 4x plus 4. Okay, 4x plus 4. No, I think I should write it over here. So, like, 4x plus 1. Okay, I want to rub this out. It looks oh, wrong one. Uh-oh. It looks untidy and neat. Also, it's been, like, it's been 20 minutes, so, like, I need to step up my game. Anyway, this is 4x plus 4. Oh, oopsie daisies, did not mean to do that. 4x, oh my goodness, I did it again. 4x plus 4, alright, that is going to be 4x plus 4, I'm not going to write on that. Alright, and then this is going to be, okay, this is going to be 7, because that's 4. Okay, let's write that, because we want all the 3 marks, which is actually nothing, to be honest. So, x plus 11 take away 4, which is what it is. So that's just x plus 7, so that's pretty easy. So now let's do 2x plus 6, and then oh wait, let's just do that, and then x plus 7 to get the to get the area for this one. So x plus 7. All right. So that's going to be 2x squared plus 14x. What's this? Plus 6x plus 42. Let's see. Okay, let's add this up to x squared plus 20x plus 42. That, alright, you know what, it's looking promising, because we have 2x there, so I think we're going to get this again. Okay, I think we're going to get this question right now, so again, so that's good. So 20x plus 20x, I don't know why I started here, there's no space now, plus 42, plus, wait, what's going on here? X plus 7, plus, no, sorry, plus 4x plus 4. So x plus 4. Okay, alright, that is 2x squared plus 20x plus 24. That's going to be 24x plus that. 42, sorry, not 6, 12. 46. Bang, bang, amazing. Next one. This. Okay, that is also pretty easy because we could just make the denominators the same. Okay, we need to write in this form, but when is that? We just literally just solve it and we coincidentally get that. So that's good. Alright, let's just do that. Alright, so we want to make it into one fraction. That's basically what it's saying. So let's just do 2x over there, and let's do 5 here, and let's do 2x there, and then let's do 5 there. So let's do 5. 4x, okay, plus 3 over 10x plus 6x over 10x. So is that true? Yeah, that's true. Okay. Let's do 20x plus 15. Okay, let's just do it early because I'm low-key like losing time and patience. Alright, 10x. That is this our answer? No, it's not. This is not. We need to add these up. 20x plus 6x is going to be 26x plus 15 over 10x. Unfortunately, it's only 3 marks, but that's our answer. Thank you very much. Alright, this one, there are only 3 red. Okay, guys, I'm going to be so honest. Probability is actually so annoying. Can't do this. Okay, this one I'm looking forward to because I really like. Okay, this one I'm low-key terrified for, but that's Street Shot's problem. Alright, so you know what? I think for the first time in this video, I can't do this for the life of me. Okay, so I'm gonna cross this because I know I can't do this. And okay, yeah, I'm losing 4 marks. But that's still like a grade 9, so like no one cares. I mean, honestly, if I can't do this, I can't do the rest. So really, we're gonna get like a grade 7 or 6 even, which is low-key not what we want. But we're in year 10. Let's just keep it slow, steady. So we're not gonna do question 16. Right, we did. You know what? I'm proud of myself because we were able to do every question up to over halfway of a higher paper, taking it any day. All right, this. 2y plus 4. Okay, we want to make y the subject. Okay, these ones. Okay. This one, okay, that's fine. Okay, this one we don't need to make y the subject. This one I know we do. Alright, let me just zoom in. Oh, what am I doing? Oopsie daisies, guys. Alright, this one. Let's do this. Okay, so I'm just gonna make it zoom out so it just looks big. Alright, so now we're gonna take away 4. Take away 4, which is gonna be 2y x take away 4. Okay, divide that by 2, divide that by 2. So that means, okay, we're like dangerously getting close. Y equals x take away 4 over 2. I really want to know, guys, if anyone has done this paper or like are really good at math or like just know this, right? Please tell me if I'm making a mistake, because like this is counting as my revision, okay, guys? Alright, so we're gonna make a grid. That's what I like to do, and that's what I've been taught, okay? So let's just make a grid of there you go, amazing. Okay, x and y. Alright, let's just think about this. So if we do 2 take away 4. Okay, let's start from 2. No, I don't like that. Let's start from -1. Yeah, let's do -1. That's a good one. 0, 1, 2. Alright, so -1 take away 4. -5, -3.5. 0 is x take away 0. So 0 take away 4, -4, -2. 0 take away 4, -2, right? 1 take away 4, -3. 1. Alright, okay. Is this not straight? I think it's meant to be straight, so something's gone wrong. -1 take away 4 is -5. -5 divided by 2. Oh, yes, 2.5. 2.5. Sorry guys. It's gonna be -2. Alright, so I'm assuming it's straight, because usually this is gonna be usually straight. So, and I'm low-key just like, I don't know, I just want to finish this goddamn paper. Alright, and -1. That's gonna be what we're gonna do. Alright, let's plot it. Okay, when x is -1, y is -2.5. So let's just put it there. Alright, amazing. Alright, 0 and -2. So that's over there. Alright, let's just, we already got the pattern. Just gonna do that. So we could do that without any problem. Hope this is right, by the way. Like, if this is wrong, please tell me. Like, I really want to know. So let's just do that. Let's do that. Okay. Pray this is right. Alright, I'm not gonna do a line because I can't do that for the life of me on computer. You know what? I may do that for the extra marks. Okay, yeah, that honestly just or whatever. Alright, x okay, x is smaller than 3. So x is 3. Okay, x, we love you, x. Okay, x is 3. Okay, that's a bit wrong, you know, I don't want it to be that off it. I want it to be pretty. There you go. Okay, let's just make it more like they go, amazing perfectionists. Okay, and it's on this side. Also, y is meant to be. Where is y meant to be facing? Sorry, x. So it's meant to be x is bigger. No, sorry. Where is it? Y. Sorry, y is not equal to. Yeah, I made a mistake. It's looking meant to be y. 2 over 2. Okay, I'm not sure, guys. Alright, I'm gonna assume it's that, which means that this is bigger and y is smaller. So is it that? Alright, you know what? I'm gonna do this one to see where we go. So I'm gonna have to do that annoying grid again, and I'm gonna have to revise that again. That's how you revise, guys. Just do a past paper, don't get it, and just revise that. Do more past papers, revise that, you got it. Anyway, alright. Let's think about this. Let's do -3. Yeah, that, you know, that'd be good. -3. Okay, -2, -1, and 0. Alright. Y? -3. So 6 take away -9. No, that's 15. That's like over away. Alright. -3. -9. Yeah, no, let's not do that. That's way too much. Let's do something like 3, 2, 1, 0. Alright, so 3. Okay, that's more like it. Okay, that makes sense now. Okay, 0. 1 is gonna be. Okay, yeah, just a general pattern. 6. Alright, this is a nice one. Okay, x is 3. That's right. Y is -3. Okay, that's a good one. Alright, 2, 0. Okay, 1 is 3. 1 is 3. Okay, this is just whatever. That's an outline. No one cares about that. Okay, this is gonna be like that, according to my calculations. Okay, so according to everything, I'm assuming that. Okay, yeah, this looks like a mess actually. I'm gonna do that again. Alright, guys. That's an actual mess. Okay. Let me just do that nicely. Okay. So it goes down like that. So it's like that. So what is it? Is it y is smaller? So that means, okay, it's that way. Right. So this is this way. This is that way then. Okay, so that means this is smaller because this must do it. Alright, we got the region. We got the region. Only for all of that for 3 marks. Honestly, so sick of it, guys. Alright, this is our region, guys. This is our region. I pray to God I'm right. Hopefully, probably not. But that's our region now. And because I claimed it. Okay, that's our region. Let's just color that. Okay, how much time is it left? 31 minutes. Okay, that's up. How does that look? That's amazing. Alright, this is the thing I've been dreading, right? I looked at this when I was like scrolling up and down and I realized that looks very hard. I mean, is it hard? God knows. But let's see. Okay, the area of the trapezium. First of all, I forgot how to work out the area of a trapezium. So I'm already cooked. But I'm gonna do something. Okay, yeah. This I can't do. Can't do yet. Alright, guys. I think I found my peak. I think I found my peak. I think my most maximum ability is up to question 18. So I might just work out like how many marks I would miss out if I were to do it right now. So oh, that's sick, that's painful. 10. Okay, that's really bad. 13, oh god. 13, 17. Oh, 22, that's not good. 22. 22! Well, actually, let me just do 20 because I think I could do some of this. 20. So 80 take away 60 out of 80 is how much? 6 out of 80. Alright, let's do 60 out of 80. 75%. 75% of paper 1 edexcel maths would be what usually? Look at my grammar, guys. I want to see what I would usually get. Grade set. Ooh! You know what? You know what? I'm gonna take that. Okay, grade 70 to 8. Oh my god. You know what? I'm looking at that and thinking, that's nice. Grade 8. You know what? I don't even need to do that question. Alright, guys. 30 minutes in with a grade 8. Actually, you know what? I may be wrong on some of them. I can't be that cocky. I may mark it. If there's some wrong stuff, I'm sorry. I'm going to disown myself. Alright. The area. Okay, so I'm going to. Okay, I remember you need to work out that, but I don't know. Alright. Let's work out this. Because I swear you need to know this. Because I don't think we want, like, that's just, I don't know, that's unusual. Alright, so we need to have, like, sine, cosine. Except we don't have a calculator. So we need to do the trig values. And I was watching a video on that as revision. Because we're locking in. So I think I could do this. Just not the trapezium part, but AB. Actually, no. I think I could, okay, AB is 2, 3 of CD. Yes. Shut up. Sorry, not shut up. I think we don't need that. We don't need X. I think we need to work out this. So I think we could get our full 5 marks. Unless I'm not being too cocky about it. Okay, so, okay, this is our opposite, so we're not doing opposite. Okay, this is our hypotenuse, this is our 8, so we're doing ka. We're doing, what's it called again? We're doing cos. So this is what I learned. Guys, look at this. 0 degrees. The 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Okay, this is where I learned, guys. Watch this. Alright. So, and then gah. Okay, no one cares about that. I'm sorry, but no one cares about 0. Like, you're never gonna see that, low-key. Alright, so, I swear, right, it's like 1, 2, 3, and that is 3, 2, 1, all divided by 2. That's what I learned from the revision videos. So that means, that to find out A, okay, let me just make the grid because I can't remember these with the life of me. So, alright. Okay, we're doing cos. Okay, times. Okay, so cos 30 is what? Cos 30 is 3 over 2. Okay, 3 over 2 times 6. That's what it is. That's gonna be adjacent. That, I swear that's what it is. If I'm not mistaken, that's what we do. So how do I solve this, guys? Like, I don't know. I actually want to know how to solve this. Like, how do I do this? No, that just doesn't make sense. Like, I want to know. I'm stuck now. I want to know how to progress after doing this, because yeah. Okay, what's the square root of 3? Is it 1.5 times 1.5? No, I'm googling it. I don't care. 1.5 times 1.5. That's that. Okay, square root of 3. What is it? Alright, something crazy. So how do you work out? How do you work out cos without a calculator for 30 degrees? 30 degrees, okay, let's see. So it's 3. Okay, I was right. So what is it? Yeah, I got that. So what happens? I wanna. Okay, I already know this now. Shockingly. 0.866. So do we just remember that? I'm confused. So what if it's okay, I'm using Gemini. So what if it's okay, I don't know how to write this on a computer. The cos 30 degrees and then times 6. And it's non-calculator, I forgot to add that. But non-calculator, non-calculator. Okay, so what would it be? 6 over 2 plus 3. Result. Don't get it. Don't get it. What's the result? That. Is that normal? Is that normal? 6 over 2 equals 3. 3 over 3. You know what? Screw it. I'm just copying. 3, there you go. So 3 over 3 is gonna be okay, 2 over 3 AB. Okay, this is AB. That's 2 of that. So we need 3 of it for sorry, that's nothing. Wait, you know what? It's actually pretty hard. Okay, wait, I'm actually sort of cooked now. Okay, this is 3 over 3. We established that. So I want to find out this. And that is, yeah, guys, you know what? I'm ending the video to know how to do this. I hope I got like at least a mark. I'm gonna put myself as 1. I'm gonna put this as 3. Like, this looks promising. I'm gonna put this as 0, which is very unfortunate. I'm gonna put this okay, I think, you know, 3. Look at the work I put into that. This generous 3. What one is this? Okay, that's, you know, I'm putting myself as nothing because that's basically wrong. That is, I'm gonna assume it's right because I did everything I'm gonna do here. Okay, this, you know, this should be 4. Like, come on, I even like circled and everything. Okay, this is gonna be a 4 for me because this looks right to me. Like, this all added up. 4, easy 4. That's a nice one. 3. Okay, you know, I loved quadratics, so that's good. Okay, this one looks promising. X12. This just lined up well, so proud of myself. This one, yeah, this one's guaranteed. That one. That was when that was the easy questions. This one basically elementary. That one's elementary. That one's elementary. Okay, let's count up our marks. Okay. Oh, never mind. I thought I just got rid of everything. All right. So 6, 9, 12, 16, 19, 22, 26, 29, 33, 37, 41, 43, 47, 50, 53, 54. Right, got 54. I'll be honest, guys, that's not even that good. Okay, 54 divided by 80. Let's get percentage. 67. That's a good number. Okay, 68%. Grade in edexcel. Okay, when was this? I want to get the specific grade boundaries. What paper did I do again? I don't even know. Was it number 21? No, it was, oh, that is easier. Okay, sorry. This one, was it? Is it that one? Sorry, oh, yeah, it was. Okay, 2021. Wow, I got back. Okay, 2021. Right, November 2021. Grade boundaries. edexcel math for a 67% paper 1. What would that be? Don't give me an all. To grade 6. Oh, that's not nice. Don't like a grade 6. I want a grade. Alright, let's say 62 marks. Ooh. You know what? They were actually harsh. Like this year, they were harsh. Okay, foundation. Right, foundation. Sorry about 5. But let's see. Okay, 44 marks is a 55. Wait. So like, I got a grade 7. Because that's like. Okay, I got grade 7. I'm gonna take that. You know, year 10, just to let me live. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Have a great one.